How's everyone doing? Figured I'd get a little video here tonight. Just finishing up, just pushing a few spots back. Wanted to show some of my subscribers on how I take and use my wing on my motor grader. I don't ever take and, I expose my shoulder, but then once the snow gets higher than the road, I take and slope everything back so that way next time that it snows, the wind can blow the snow right up and out of off the road versus making a big solid bank out here. That's just going to catch it. I see a lot of guys, they want to take and bury that wing in the ditch, and it's the worst thing you can do. A lot of times I use my moldboard to mark the edge of the shoulder, and then that's how I position my wing. I never, always my inside is down on the shoulder of the road, and then I just kind of daylight the outside. That way it doesn't take and catch any snow, and if it is above the road, it just takes and slopes it up and keeps it so that the wind will blow the snow right up and out of the bad spot. You want to be hard on equipment, you take and drag your wing. You'll go through twice the amount of fuel, and it's just hard on equipment. There's really no reason. I know some guys, they like to see that snow fly. But you're a lot better off if you just keep the wing up and don't even use it. I know it sounds crazy, but the whole purpose of that wing is for benching deep snow. As far as I'm concerned, the only time you should be dragging that wing is the first snowfall of the year and you're trying to get rid of grass on the edge of the road, or in the springtime when you're on your last snowfall and you want to take and get the snow off the edge of the road so the water runs in the ditch. But it's not that hard to do. It's just I wish a lot of operators take and learn from this video, and we can maybe stop some of the horrible dragging of the wings. It just doesn't do any good. And I do it on both sides of the road, so I got that nice and sloped back, and then along with that over there. So the next time it snows and we get some wind, it's just going to blow straight across, and we ain't going to have any problem. The more you pile that stuff up, the worse it is. As I always say, the less you have to move the snow, the better off you are. So, and these LED lights are amazing on this new Deere machine I got. Just unbelievable how bright they are. Just like daylight out there. Got a little light snow coming. I was out blading earlier today, so I'm pushing a little snow back and blading gravel. Definitely been a weird year we've been having, but I'll take it. Thanks everybody for watching, and got any questions, put them down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer any questions, or if you got a suggestion on a video that you want me to make, put it down in the comments, and I will do the best I can. Would like to thank everybody for watching, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep the videos coming. Take care.